Greetings from Fire Island, New York, and this is the Fire Island National Seashore Sailors Haven area under the moonlight. There is a comfort station here, and this area, personality, is mostly nature walk. And between here and Point O Woods is the Sunken Forest. So if you are here at Sailors Haven, head towards Point O Woods and explore the Sunken Forest. It is a walkway, goes up and down underneath the trees, and in many ways reminds me of a Disney adventure. And today's adventure is exploring the Fire Island National Seashore. I'm only in this area in the evening because I have been exploring since this afternoon. Started at the Fire Island Lighthouse, which is in the town of Islip. And there is a coquito. There we go. A little bit of nature out on our walk. How are you doing tonight? Okay. Saw lots of deer, rabbits, birds. I have yet seen any fox on this trip. That doesn't mean that they are not here. And this is the Atlantic Ocean. Fire Island, about 30 miles long with about 20 different communities. And it's fair to say that this one is about nature. Next community over, heading east, would be Cherry Grove. Till next time, from ever beautiful, I love New York. Happy summer under the moon.